welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I'm decorating my classic happy planner for the week of November 5th through the 11th. And the theme that I have this week is kind of like teal and mustard yellows and a little bit of orange. I definitely want to do some fall colors here, but not the traditional like orange and red and yellow. I want to throw a little bit of that teal color in there. So if you want to see how I decorate it, keep on watching and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post a ton of different types of videos and there is a video on my channel for everyone, so you don't want to miss out, so definitely subscribe. Okay, and like I said, I wanted to play around with some teals and some mustard yellows. So I was flipping through my sticker books to see what colors I want to film for this spread, and this is the rainbow sticker kit, and this color just really popped out on me. So this is like what I want to use the basis of my spread. And if you watch my channel, you know I always like to add my checklist. So I'm gonna add my checklist to the middle. And then I want to add some decor. So this is from the original seasonal kit sticker book, and I really like this gold leaf. So I'm just going to add that and decorate the page. I'm going to take a Gold Today sticker from the kit, and I'm going to place that down on Thursday. And then from the Happy Planner Memory Keeping a Year of Memories, I like this really big mustard yellow gold sticker. So I'm just going to cut this one in half. Take a teal remember sticker. Actually, no, I'm not. Oh, yes, I am. Okay. On Tuesday. Just to remind myself I need to pay for something here. Alright, so this is how the spread turned out. I love how simple it looks. It's so nice and clean. I cannot wait to fill this up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in a couple days in a brand new video. Bye!